Hello. Today we will focus on the risk of chemical burns or lesions in the dairy industry. In order to guarantee the safety and health of consumers, hygiene regulations are particularly strict. The production chain in the dairy sector goes through many operations. Some of the steps involve corrosive or irritant products such as acids or bases. If they come into contact with the skin or eyes, they can cause a chemical lesion. These chemicals are mainly used for cleaning production equipment, tanks, pipes or pumps, joints or panels. Cleaning operations, more commonly known as CIP, cleaning in place, have several objectives. They remove dairy product residues. They clean and eliminate residual organic and mineral matter. And finally, they disinfect to eliminate all traces of microorganisms. The removal of residues from the previous production is usually started by rinsing the material with water. In order to remove residues of organic matter, such as lipids, proteins or whey, caustic soda-based detergents are used. They use the ability of caustic soda to saponify fats and solubilize proteins. The material is then again rinsed with water. A second rinsing reduces mineral residues, such as limescale. Various acids perform this task, such as hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid or phosphoric acid. To remove milkstone, which is well known in the industry, nitric acid is particularly effective. This step ends with another rinsing with water. Finally, disinfection is used to eliminate any microorganisms that may be present in the final product. Chlorinated alkaline products are mainly used, such as sodium hypochlorite, more commonly known as bleach. Peracetic acid and hydrogen peroxide also disinfect. All these products are irritants or corrosives of oxidizing nature. The packaging for the dairy products is also cleaned. This is often done with peracetic acid or hydrogen peroxide. These cleaning cycles are performed under pressure in a closed circuit. A faulty pump or connection can therefore cause chemicals to be projected. Before being integrated into the CIP station, the chemicals are transferred via various containers, from 5-litre canisters to IBCs, intermediate bulk containers, with a capacity of 1,000 litres. The connection and decanting of these products involves risks. In addition, to verify the quality of the cleaning, these installations are periodically dismantled. During maintenance, operators can be contaminated by residue in a pipe, pump or tank. Finally, in the dairy industry, a large amount of wastewater is reprocessed. These effluents come from the water in the boilers of sterilizers and pasteurizers. This includes milk residues, whey and other fats. This wastewater is usually treated on site via a water treatment plant. It uses corrosive chemicals such as 98% sulfuric acid or 50% caustic soda. For more information on the chemical risks associated with wastewater treatment, I invite you to watch our video on the subject. The dairy industry therefore uses a wide range of chemicals. Here are the main types of chemicals used. Caustic soda, a base. Acids, such as nitric acid, peracetic acid, hydrochloric acid, phosphoric acid, sulfuric acid. An oxidant, such as hydrogen peroxide. Hydrofluoric acid can also be added to this list. The presence of this dangerous product in the dairy industry may be surprising. We find it in pickling pastes used for cleaning welds on stainless steel equipment. In order to protect yourself from a chemical projection, the best solution remains the systematic use of the appropriate personal protective equipment. But an accident is always possible. A process failure, a problem with PPE, or human error is always a possibility. It is therefore essential to have an active and versatile decontamination solution in risk areas. The diphenterin solution prevents chemical injury. choose the hexafluorine solution in case of hydrofluoric acid splashes. Our aim is to ensure that any chemical accident remains an incident. The Prevo team remains at your entire disposal for any further information. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day and see you soon.